Hello, boy. I'm sorry. Yes, I have to do that. Yes, every single day. Boy, he's not happy. No, he's not. I'm sorry, boy, but I have to do it. Yes, I do. Wait, what's going on with the dogs? You thought about it? What? Good boy. Huh? Yeah, you can still fly. Huh? Come. Come. Okay, you're stressed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're stressed. Yes, I just sprayed this mite stuff on him. I have to do it every so often. Or every day. Yeah. He has scaly face mites, I think. I finally have it on camera. Yes. I know you're a bit stressed. I'm sorry. Come. Doesn't trust me anymore, which is not good. Come. There we go. There we go. Are you feeling a bit better? Or are you still stressed? No? Okay. How about here? And voila! It's on there. Plus I put a drop of ivermectin in his water. He ate his broccoli that I left in there last night. I placed a new one in there. Hey? Yes.